So we got the wee kiaceed on the lift, so I'm sure when I heard it pulling away, I left it inside tonight. We're waiting on a caliper coming. I'm hoping we don't need it, but when I moved the car this morning, I thought I heard these ones making a bang as well. But look at the brake pads, right? So some other garage had advised doing pads in this on the back of this as well as the front. So there's nothing wrong with them, but they look like brand new. So, and it's just a thing with the Kias. Some of the Kias do this. They're brand new, man. They're virtually brand new, so I had a look at this yesterday. Quite hard to see it, but those pads are brand new. So those pads and this have either just been done, right? Or, I don't know, but I don't know. So, anyway, these ones are all spinning freely. Spinning freely. You can see it's still going, right? This one, however, I can move it. And I'm solid! So we'll start here. See the lock and wheel key started to move. It wasn't like that last time I touched this car, I don't think. Let's see. Chat that back in. I'm in this side, because I've just had a wee spot at something that I've not seen on this car before, and I've seen this car a couple of times. Now, I absolutely hate this thing, and I've just checked that other side there just to make sure there's no put a matched pair on it. It's not started rusting yet, so it's either been hit with a boulder or something, but something's dented it. I would imagine that's been a jack or a ramp or something. You can see where we are nowhere near, you know, and if we had to put step ups or even blocks of wood if you can't get, just whatever, it's so you don't damage the sill, man. I hate that, man. I hate that. So I've not even touched it yet, and we can see whoever did the brakes did a piss poor job. Right, so like that. Right, how the hell is that meant to keep the fucking water out? So I think what's happened is somebody's put a set of pads on it, no bother changing the discs. The discs, if you look at it, is really thin. If we chopped all that rust off, that'd be quite thin. That is all swollen with rust, so you start stripping. Right, so I managed to get the piston back, so the pistons went back, so the pads are kind of seized up. So they'll just did a piss poor job, I think. So we'll fix that. Thanks, so. So, there you go. That's what happens when you fit old pads. New pads onto old discs. It's just a waste of money. Absolute waste of money. So, probably all brought in here. Right, we shall come back when this is all clean. Right, so the hub's all cleaned up, brake cavity's all cleaned up, including the shims. Cleaned all the shims underneath, top, bottom, so everyone runs nice and free. That's all cleaned up. Right, that's all cleaned up, all the rust taken off it. We'll grease all the slides up and clean them. We'll get the new discs and pads on. Right, so that there is how they should be able to move in and out. Same with that. Right, we'll clean and grease the other one. What we'll do is we'll put it all together, pump up the pedal, and make sure it's spinning freely. If it's spinning freely, there's nothing we can do at the time. We'll just need to put the car out and hope the caliper is okay. It's went back, it's returned back to its stop position, so, but it's not to say this isn't holding fluid or the caliper isn't just getting a bit tight. It's went back, right, but we've also got an ABS pump up there as well. I've never seen that on a Kia, right? I've never seen it on a Kia, so I don't think that's the case. I think it's just been, these have been seized up. Right, that's better. I can spin that one pretty freely now. So, and I've been in and pumped the pedal up. I've done it twice, so I've done it twice just to make sure, so we can see that one spinning freely. Obviously still need to go and drive it, right? And this one we've still to do. And you can see that one spinning quite free as well. So we'll get this side done now, get it run, make sure it's okay. I did the exact same on this side, so there's no put the boot back to where it should be. It should be in that little channel there, so it keeps the water out of that slide. Quality stuff, eh? These ones as well. Jesus! Right. That one's a bit better. Still too tight, but. Right, still too tight. Oh, yeah. Yep, so. Old discs, new pads. Notice that actually, same on the other side. They've bent that, so that's a brake pad wear indicator. For whatever reason they've bent it up, which then makes it closer into the pad. It makes it, it'll start squealing sooner, you know. So, interesting, so we'll get all of this off. That's a bit tight there. So we'll get this off. Obviously the other side seems to be okay. So we'll just need to keep an eye on it. It's during MOT, so we'll be able to recheck it again in a week's time and see if the caliper needs change. We'll do it then. So at the minute it seems to be okay. Same again, guys. Make sure they're all nice and shiny clean, right? Make sure you clean up your shims as well. I've cleaned up all the bolts as well, and just need to grease up, clean up that slide. Right, new P's and D's on that side. Right, that one's spinning. This one also spinning now, so right, we'll get that road test, make sure she's all good. I've been a wee road test with it, all good, right, that's good enough. Okay, so I just need to monitor it, and then I think car's going to come back, I think maybe next week for MOT, so we'll recheck it, and if it is tight then it's no harm done, we can get a caliper, so it should actually be in Bell's Hill, to be honest with you. So there you go, this one's all done. Haven't already, hit the thumb, hit subscribe, have yourselves a great old day, okay? One Kia Ceed, the Purty Surprise, all done.